I'm Alex with Pro Gadget Picks. Today I'm ranking the 5 best robot vacuums for pet hair you can buy right now. Just so you know, links in the description are Amazon affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Are you still finding pet hair embedded in your carpets and wedged along every baseboard, even after your robot vacuum runs? The real frustration is watching your vacuum push fur around instead of actually picking it up, and then you have to hand clean the brush roll on top of it. I ranked 5 options from worst to best so you know exactly which one to buy. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 on our countdown, the iLife V2 Robot Vacuum. At the lowest price tier in this roundup, it gives budget-conscious pet owners a tangle-free entry point for daily hair pickup. A Tangle iLife V2 is a budget robot vacuum designed for pet owners dealing with daily shedding on hard floors. Its tangle-free suction port eliminates hair wrapping. Instead of a traditional brush roll, suction alone lifts fur directly into the bin. The ultra-slim 2.99-inch body slides under low-clearance furniture where pet hair collects. It runs for 120 continuous minutes across auto, spot, and edge modes, then returns to its dock automatically. Infrared sensors handle obstacle avoidance and step detection. Note that there is no self-emptying station. You empty the bin manually after each cycle. Check the link in the description for current pricing. A tangle-free suction port instead of a traditional brush roll. A 2.99-inch ultra-slim profile that fits under most couches, and 120 minutes of continuous runtime. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that there is no self-emptying base, so you are manually emptying the dustbin after every session. If your home is mostly hard floors and you want a low-cost machine that handles daily shedding without tangling, this gets the job done. Link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown, the Leffin M210. Pet owners who already run Alexa or Google routines get voice-controlled cleaning here without a complicated setup. With 1,800 Pascal suction and a brushless port, the Leffin M210 lifts pet hair from carpets and hardwood without tangling. 6 infrared sensors powered by FreeMove Tech 3.0 provide anti-collision and anti-fall detection, so it navigates around pet bowls and furniture legs in real time. The 500 milliliters dustbin pairs with a HEPA filter to capture dander. It supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and app scheduling, meaning you can trigger a cleaning cycle by voice while your pets settle in another room. Runtime reaches 120 minutes in low suction mode. Check the link in the description for current pricing. 1,800 pascals of suction through a brushless port, 6 infrared anti-collision sensors with FreeMove 3.0, and a 500 milliliters dustbin paired with a HEPA filter. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that the 2.8-inch height can clip low thresholds and door frames, so measure before you commit. Budget pet households that want smart home voice control and a brushless design for easy maintenance get the best value here. Link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown, the Shark AV2501AE. This one handles heavy shedding homes where you want the machine to take care of itself for weeks at a time. 60 days between base empties. That is what the Shark AV2501AE delivers with its XL HEPA self-empty station. Suction reaches 2,000 pascals at the brush roll, and the self-cleaning brush roll captures pet hair without manual detangling. A 360-degree LiDAR sensor maps rooms up to 150 square meters at 0.5 meter resolution, while Matrix Clean navigation runs up to 3 passes per room for thorough fur pickup. It connects to Alexa and Google Assistant for voice-activated scheduling. One note, the emptying cycle pauses cleaning for up to 2 minutes. Check the link in the description for current pricing. 2,000 pascal suction, 360-degree LiDAR mapping with 0.5 meter resolution, and an XL HEPA self-empty base rated for 60 days of debris. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that the self-empty cycle takes up to 2 minutes each time, during which cleaning pauses completely. Hands-off maintenance, sealed HEPA allergen capture, and 2 months between base changes. If that sounds like what your pet hair household needs, this is a strong pick. Link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 2 on our countdown, the Eufy L60. With 5,000 pascals of suction, it gives pet owners granular laser map control over exactly where the heavy cleaning happens. 5,000 pascals. The Eufy L60 has enough suction to pull embedded pet hair from medium pile carpet. Its 2.5-liter self-empty station is rated for 60 days of hands-free operation and uses hair detangling technology to prevent clogs during the emptying process. iPath laser navigation builds room maps and supports app-based zone controls through AI. Map 2.0, so you can target the specific rooms where your pets spend the most time. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice commands. The base unit does require placement near a power outlet. Check the link in the description for current pricing. 5,000 pascal suction, a 2.5-liter self-empty station rated for 60 days, and iPath laser navigation with room-by-room mapping. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that the self-empty base must sit near a power outlet, which limits where you can place it in the room. If you want to target specific pet zones with precision mapping and still get weeks of hands-free operation, the suction-to-capacity ratio here is hard to beat. Link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 1 on our countdown, the Roborock Q7M 5 Plus. Purpose-built for dual-surface pet homes, this is the only model in the roundup that vacuums and mops in a single pass with top-tier suction. 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction and a dual anti-tangle system. That is what the Roborock Q7M 5 Plus brings to pet hair households. The Jaw Scraper's main brush paired with a 0% hair tangling side brush means no manual detangling after runs. A sealed 2.7-liter dust bag handles 7 to 9 weeks of debris. It also mops with 3 adjustable water flow levels while vacuuming. Precise Sense LiDAR maps rooms for app-based no-go zones, and it connects over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to Alexa and Google Assistant. The dust bag requires manual replacement when full. Check the link in the description for current pricing. 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction, a 2.7-liter sealed dust bag rated for 7 to 9 weeks, and a dual anti-tangle system with jaw scrapers plus a 0% hair tangling side brush. That is what separates this from the more generic options at this price point. The main drawback is that the sealed dust bag must be manually replaced when it fills. There is no automatic bag change mechanism. Maximum suction, sealed allergen containment, and mopping in one machine. If that describes what your pet hair household needs, this is the one. Link in the description for current pricing. After going through all 5, my number 1 pick is the Roborock Q7M 5 Plus. And here is exactly why it wins. At 10,000 pascals, this vacuum actually pulls embedded pet hair out of carpet fibers rather than just skimming the surface. That means the hair ends up sealed inside a 2.7-liter bag instead of floating back into the air your family and pets breathe. It is also the only model in this roundup that combines vacuuming and mopping with a dual anti-tangle brush system. So you get one machine handling both jobs without you unwinding hair from the roller every week. No other option in this roundup comes close on combined suction power and maintenance-free operation. All 5 are linked in the description below. Click through for current pricing and availability. If this helped, subscribe. I rank smart home and gadget products every week. And as a reminder, those are Amazon affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you.